What happened to Irving? Well, he can't have gone too far.
Josh.
Thanks.
Take me later. We got company.
I'm on it.
We got you, Kevin.